Hey ladies, I'm back. I know it's been a long time. I have finally got around to having time to do my makeup on YouTube. I did this cute little, just sweet and simple look for y'all and a whole face tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so jumping right in, I am going to use the Colourpop Nude Mood Palette, and I am going into this shade right here, and it's called All Naturals. And I am going to put that like right above my crease, close to my brow, and just blending it in all over. This is going to be my transition shade. Then I'm going into the Honey palette, and I am going to go in with this Totally Buggin' shade. Not too much because it's kind of a bit orangey, and I don't want it to be too orange. And I'm going right in my crease with this shade. With the same brush. I don't know if I said that already. Okay. Next, I am going to go in with Stinger. This shade right here. It's kind of too bright. And I'm putting that in my crease and some on the lid. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Buzzkill and put that in my crease also. Now with this Morphe 518 brush, I'm gonna go into Sweet Pot and put that all over my lid. I'm going to stop right there on the eyes, and then I am going to use this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I used the poreless one and I really liked it, but my face lately has been super dry, and I've already moisturized my face. And this is a luminous primer, so I usually use matte or mattifying primers, but I'm using luminous or dewy primers, or just moisturizing my face really good because my face has been so dry lately. And as always, I am going to use my Maybelline 228 foundation. I have not found a foundation that I love as much as I love this one. I did try to use I tried to be cute and go and buy this Juvia's Place foundation, thinking, and I'm horrible at picking my shade. I cannot match myself for the life of me. So I picked out this shade, and it is so orange, so I think I'm just gonna keep it for other clients. If not, I'm pretty sure I could use it on other clients. It just did not work out for me. It was so orange and too dark. It was too dark for me. Now I like using my finger to apply my foundation. I don't know why. I just like it better, and then I go in with this beauty blender. This is the Juno beauty blender. I really like this beauty blender. I bought it for $5. I can't remember what site it was on. If I remember, I'll link it down below. But this blender is so good. So I am just blending all of this in. Okay, going in with my e.l.f. concealers in the shade medium sand and light sand. I am going to brighten up my under eyes, chin, forehead, nose. I'm sorry I'm a little rusty. This was just kind of like a spur of a moment thing. I know I haven't been on in so long, or haven't uploaded videos in so long. When I first started this channel, I was a stay-at-home mom and I was bored and I was trying to find a hobby. And so I started this YouTube, and shortly after I got a job and I am now working at a law firm. I'm just an assistant to 2 lawyers, and it has been super fun and I love it. I love my job, and I just have not had time to do videos, and really I haven't had time to do my makeup. Like, I don't really do my makeup at all anymore, just when I'm going somewhere. I rarely do it for work because I just do not have time. I now have 4 kids. I just had a little baby girl in January, and then I have 3 other boys who go to school, and 1 goes to daycare. So I'm just I'm a busy working mom now. So that's been my life update. Okay, I am going to use this foundation stick by Juvia's Place. It is in the shade Jacmel, and I am going to contour with this. Okay, my little baby's crying, so I gotta go get her. I blended out the contour, and I am going in with Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Long Weekend, and I'm going to bronze up my face. Now going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills light to medium contour kit, the powder kit. I just run my brush through all of these, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks and my forehead. Okay, I am going to contour my nose with this shade right here. Using Colourpop's Lunch Money highlighter, I am going to highlight my cheekbones and my lip. Now I'm using Makeup Shayla and Colourpop's Under Construction blush, and this is in the shade Construct. And I'm using this Morphe M401 brush. spray my face with this Milani Make It Last setting spray. Going back to my eyes, I'm going to finish off. I'm going to get this NYX glitter primer and this MAC brush. I don't know what number it is, but I am going to get a little bit of this glue or primer and put it right here in my inner corner where my tear duct is at. And then I am going into Palooza. It is very glittery. I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. And I am going to put that in my inner corner. Never fails that I've dropped something, and I'm pretty sure I just ruined this palette. Sorry, Lizzie. Oh my goodness. Okay, all of these popped out when I dropped it, so I don't, these are probably not even in the correct spot. So I am just going to point out what I'm using. I'm gonna go in with Sweet Pot. Well, this yellow. I think I put this one in the correct place because that's what I used. And I'm going into, like, on the bottom of my waterline. Going into this one right here. I'm going right under it, right on top of it, I mean. And then I'm going into this darker brown shade, and I'm going to try to get as close to my waterline as possible. And using my Tarte Easy on the Eyes eyeliner in black. I think it's black. Yeah, it's in black. Cool. Putting that in my waterline. I'm gonna do my brows. I totally forgot about my brows. And soft brown Anastasia pomade. Going to shade in my eyebrows. I'm using Colourpop and Makeup Shayla's lip liner in the shade BFF4. And I'm also going to use the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop. I think this is just matte lip, and it's in the shade Slow Down, and then Sexy Mother Pucker for lip gloss. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.